Alright, good day everyone. Today we will talk about the semi-flexi loan that is available in Malaysia. So after this presentation, you will understand exactly how a semi-flexi loan works and how to take advantage of the benefits that it can give you. So here on this graph, you can see that on the left-hand side, on the monthly installment basis, you will always make additional payment on top of the interest rate to reduce your principal payment. So basically, the interest rate is always charged based on the balance, the principal balance that you have in your account. So what the semi-flexi loan does is it allows you to make more additional payment, so you can pay more on top of your monthly installment to further reduce your principal balance. So once your principal balance is reduced, the interest charge for the following month will be less. Right, so let's move on to one example where after this you actually see some actual numbers to understand better. Alright, so let's say you have a principal balance of 500,000. Let's say it's a housing loan, 4.8% interest rate, and your monthly installment is 2,500. Okay, so let's break down this 2,500 ringgit monthly installment. The interest rate is 2,000 ringgit. This is how you calculate the interest rate based on 4.8%. So when you make a 2,500 ringgit monthly installment, 2,000 ringgit is actually used to pay the interest rate only. So the additional payment to reduce the principal is actually only 500 ringgit. Right? So for the next month, the principal balance will be 499,500 ringgit. So if you do the calculation again, you will get 1,998 ringgit interest for the next month. Now you can note that this is actually not so much difference from 2,000. It's only 2 ringgit. But that's the nature of housing loan. The first few years, you basically pay almost the maximum interest rate. So next, what if you pay more than 2,500 ringgit? Maybe you got a bonus from your company and you decided to pay more for your housing loan. So again, let's say you pay, in this example, 20,000 ringgit. The interest rate is still 2,000 ringgit. There's no change. It's still 500,000 ringgit principal balance. You still multiply by 4.8%. Divided by 12 months, it's still 2,000 ringgit a month. So the additional payment here, instead of 500 ringgit, it will be 18,000 ringgit, which is 20,000 ringgit minus 2,000 ringgit. This is what reduces your principal payment. So the principal balance for the next month will become 482,000 ringgit compared to 499,500 ringgit just now. So once you make 20,000 ringgit on this month, your next month interest rate will be based on 482,000 times 4.8% divided by 12 months, and there you get 1,982 ringgit. Again, this is not that much difference compared to 2,000 ringgit because that's how the housing loan works. The first few years, you basically pay almost the same amount of interest. Although 2,000 ringgit and 1,982 ringgit doesn't sound a lot, but if you do the complicated calculation, it actually shortens your loan tenor by 3 years approximately. So let's say if it's a 30 years housing loan, you will actually complete it in 27 years after you make this 20,000 ringgit payment. So 3 years of monthly installment is actually 90,000 ringgit. So 2,500 you times by 36 months in 3 years, you will get 90,000 ringgit. So if you are willing to pay additional right here, right now, you will actually save 90,000 ringgit in the long run. Okay, so this is basically the benefits that the semi-flexi loan offer. Alright, so now the biggest question is, should you put all your money into this loan account, right? So if you only have 20,000 ringgit cash, I would recommend you not to pay all of this 20,000 ringgit to the loan amount. We should always keep some money for emergencies. So because the additional payment that has been made cannot be withdrawn freely. Once you have paid the 20,000 ringgit, it is paid. So that is why I would recommend my viewers to take the full flexi loan instead of the semi-flexi loan, because the full flexi loan also gives you the benefit to reduce the interest rate, but it allows you to withdraw the additional payment or the additional deposit actually for the full flexi loan. Because the full flexi loan is a bit different, I have a separate video for that, and feel free to see my channel to view this video. So I would really recommend you to take the full flexi loan compared to the semi-flexi loan. Right, so I thank you very much for viewing. I hope everyone is well. Be smart with your money and take care.